Hello from Slovenia again. I'm back with my voice. I took a little vacation from talking. I was just playing with my paints, but my vacation is over. I had my granddaughters here quite a bit, so yeah, some vacation fun time outside of my studio. But yeah, I'm back. And in one of my last videos I poured paint over this. It's a metal straw, but you can use any straw that you have, probably not the silicone one because it would bend. I just poke holes into this, cup to secure it, and I kind of want to achieve that feather effect again. And today I mix my paints with craft glue pouring medium. It's just a craft glue from a dollar store in Slovenia. I mixed 70% glue to 30% water, and then I mix it 1-to-1 with colors. So kind of a medium consistency. So I have greenish blue, permanent red, violet, Naples yellow. I have my pearl white mixture that it's Vallejo pearl medium. I just found something in there that I have to take out. With titanium white. I have recipes, links to mixing videos in my description box, and I have black. And I will layer my cup. I will put a little bit of black and then all three colors, pearl white, and I will just do probably 2 layers of that, and then I will just go with black and white. You see, just a tiny bit of black and then the blue, and at the end I will just go with black and pearl white, so that will came up from a cup first. And maybe I have quite a lot of these colors, so I will add less amount here because this should create the feather in the middle, so I shouldn't do as much. Now I will go black and pearl white, and I don't have a lot of black, so I will go with a lot of pearl white and a little bit of black. We will see how this will work out. I like to experiment. If you know me, you already know that I'm a big fan of playing with different things, see what will happen. So yeah, maybe some will say it's an accidental, happy accident art kind of, but I like to do that. And if one of my experiments turned out nice, I go from there and try to improve and do things differently if I think that I need to, and that's why this art is fun. Okie doke, so I will not bother as much for this part because this straw doesn't have a lot of, surface to pour on. I have to be careful. Oh my god, my colors are already coming through. I didn't thought this will come so quickly, but we will see. We will see when we will stretch this out, I don't know. My colors kind of disappear in that pearl white, I believe. So I will remove that. And I will grab a skewer and see. I definitely want to create a feather here from that, and maybe I will just do this, I don't know. I have to stretch this out to see what will happen. Let's torch. Or maybe I will spin it out. I believe that some of the colors will show a little more when I will stretch this out, but this wasn't my plan. But as we already said, we are experimenting. I will just try this paint a little bit, but I want to stretch it out a lot, so I don't want to add more flow extender or something. I just want some paint here to help it flow. How can I say? I did put my canvas a little more to this side to stretch the paint more to that side and not as much on the bottom side. I will need a little bit of flow extender. I will just add this Naples yellow, as I have a lot of that one left. This will help paint to slide over, you know. While I'm doing that, I'm constantly thinking that maybe I will add another feather just with the colors without pearl white and black on top of that, and I don't know, but maybe this will do. It's kind of muted, but I still like it in a way. The thing that I'm not a fan of with the glue is that I get a lot of those things. I like those two kind of flowers here. So here how she looks wet. Definitely an interesting one. I can't wait to see how she will dry. I did got a lot of this graffiti kind of a color because there was a lot of pearl white. This is something that I would change next time. Really like those two drips that now became butterflies or something. I was expecting way more colors to show through, but I'm not mad at this one at all. So yeah, I will leave it to dry and show you the dried result on the video on the Wednesday, because as I said, I was quite busy and I want to start the week with me talking. So yeah, dried results on Wednesday. Tell me what you think about it in the comments, and thanks for watching. See you again on Wednesday. Bye!